Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Thumbtack for finding renovation pros, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Thumbtack website. Locate the login button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will see options for logging in with email, Google, or Facebook. If you have an account with email, click on the email option. Enter your email address in the provided field. Click on Continue. Check your inbox for a verification email from Thumbtack. Open the email and click the verification link. Return to the Thumbtack login page. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once your password is set, return to the login page. Input your email address and new password. Click on Login. You will be directed to your Thumbtack dashboard. From here, you can begin your search for renovation professionals. Use the search bar to enter specific renovation services you need. Browse through the list of professionals available in your area. Click on any professional to view their profile and reviews. If you have any questions, you can contact them directly through the platform. Start connecting with pros to discuss your renovation project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.